welcome back. I'm Sandy. I'm one of your dietitians, and today we are actually going to do something called Dalgona coffee, which you've probably seen on the internet. So we figured, why not show you how to make it at home, because it's super easy to do. And I know you're thinking, why is a dietitian probably doing this? But again, super easy ingredients, one, and it gives you a little bit of caffeine as well as you get some milk in there, so you get some calcium as well. So let's get started. It'll only take you probably 3 minutes, somewhere around there. We're gonna see. But 3 ingredients to start. You're gonna use instant coffee. It has to be instant coffee grounds here. So granules, you'll see that there. You can use instant espresso or instant coffee. Either one's fine. And then 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And then we're using hot water, and you're just using 2 tablespoons of hot water. So you're gonna put all of your ingredients in a bowl. Your sugar, your coffee powder, and my milk for later, and then hot water. I'm using a tea kettle because I had heated it up. 1 and 2. And then all you're gonna do is you're gonna whip this thing, and probably for about 2 minutes altogether. Let's go. That's all you need to do. So that was probably, what, a minute? I'm just gonna get this off the big paper. All right. Again, you could do this by hand, but I highly don't recommend it because you can see how long that took to do. All right. So this will actually keep in your refrigerator for up to a couple days. It'll just start separating the liquid out. So here all I have is just some milk. 2% milk with some ice in it. You could flavor that milk, you could do hot milk, but typically the tradition is with the cold. Again, you can see, look at that. Beautiful. Crazy how that works, right? All right, so then all you're gonna do, spoon it on top of your milk. Again, you can do this in any container you want, but I love it in a mason jar because it's just so pretty. Look at how thick that is. Look at that. And there you have it. How beautiful. I'm just going to spread this out a little bit. You can make it so it's overflowing in the glass too. I just chose not to do that today. I just kind of wanted it to sink in there and do a little bit of crazy stuff. You'll see on the internet you can make it even higher and do that as well. We're just going to take a little spatula here. Scrape all that goodness off. You don't want that to be left anywhere. All right. Beautiful. And how about that? You have yourself your own Dalgona coffee. Sip away, it'll separate. I like to stir it up a little bit so it's all mixed in. Enjoy. Cheers.